Hello everyone, my name is James Amakara, and today I'll be teaching you how to make some free Bitcoin while browsing, how to mine free Bitcoin while browsing. And I want you to follow with me step by step. So I'm using my mobile phone because you can make some free Bitcoin using your mobile phone. So I want you to follow with me step by step. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I want you to kindly do so and hit the post notification. So I just want you to follow with me. Step 1 is get the link to download on Google Play Store. So you can get the link by checking the description, the video description. You see the link there. Please use my link, it's very important, so I'll guide you. So first step is you click this, you see it there, so it's going to load. You know what I will do is let me copy this link. Copy the link. So you can see earn Bitcoin on your Android. So I will prefer to get it on Google Play Store. So you click install. So 6 megabytes. So it's installing. As you can see, installation is successful. So let's move to open the browser. So we accept and continue. Now we have the browser here. This is the browser. Now this is what we can do. Now you can browse your favorite site. You can browse your favorite website. Let's say I want to add, okay, say Google. Very fast. So you do what you want to do. Yahoo.com. So and you are mining your Bitcoin. So you can adjust the speed. Just click this tab. So make sure you log in with your face. Make sure we want to synchronize our account now. So you click this tab. So we synchronize our account. So let me use my Google Plus account. So I want to check my email. So you can also check your spam. I did not see anything on my inbox, so I had to check my spam. So I'm actually linking my email to the browser so that my earnings will be saved. So and I click confirm email. So you see it's confirmed. So it says your email has now been confirmed with your crypto cover and you are fully verified now. So thank you. And I'll now go back to my browsing. So I click OK. So done that. You see, I started mining. Look at what I've made. Why. So that's how it is. So that's how it is. I want you to follow the step, and then before you know it, you get there. Thank you for watching. Then you can also adjust your speed of your browser. You see, so you can adjust the speed of your browser. You can adjust it, but I prefer you put it on low so that you'll be able to mine some good Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.